discussion.
You have wasted 20 minutes time. We are repeatedly asking you, you are trying to build up another case.
No, I am not.
And why you are a responsible counsel.
My lord, I am not.
We are not satisfied with your submission now. We ask your chairman to be personally present.
On the next day, he will come with the instruction. On the next day.
All right, come along with him. The present contempt application has been preferred. You are trying to.
Your lordships are misunderstanding my intention. I am not at all trying to create any problem. I am trying.
For 20 minutes told us that there is a mismatch of vacancies. Show your affidavit. Where you have taken that stand?
That I will have to.
You are wasting the court's time. And you are acting on his instruction. He wants to sit in appeal over us. We will take him to case issue. You're responsible counsel.
14,339 vacancies. Candidates 14,052. So lesser candidates. Then all will get a chance for counseling, and therefore we should call them all. Now the difficulty is that due to different categories, we are not managing to match the remaining vacancies with the leftover candidates. We have about 1,000.
He's not a leftover candidate. He was in the panel.
Yes, he was in the merit list, but he was in the waiting list part.
No, he was not.
No, there's no waiting list.
No.
He's saying I am within 14,000.
Yes.
So
14,000 includes both the panel and the waiting list. The merit
it's a new story.
Two parts: the panel and the waiting list.
So is he not
prepared? Your lordships will remember in the ratio.
No, he doesn't count within 14,000.
Yes, he does.
Then what is
14,000 is the total number of candidates, but he is in the waiting list. Kindly just let me just check.
Maybe waiting list, but we have.
We have said you have to call them for 14,052 candidates.
Yes. Now the difficulty is I have 5,000 vacancies.
We are not concerned with that. We are wanting to know when you are calling him for counseling. And why not? That explanation we will take later. We will hear to you. But you call him within counseling immediately.
My lord, the counseling, it will go as per their ranks. It will go as per their ranks. So when his turn comes, he will be called in due course. That I am not disputing.
No, turn is over. All persons similarly situated have been called.
No. More than 1,500 are still waiting.
Out of 14,000?
Yes, 1,482 are not called for counseling yet.
1,000 violation of
482. And the vacancies which I still have, I have a large number of vacancies. 4,945.
So what we understand from you is you are taking time, but he will be called.
No, that is not the only problem. The main problem which has now arisen, that suppose I have 1,482 candidates. Maybe one candidate, he belongs to the scheduled caste category. But the vacancy which I have belongs to an OBC A category or a scheduled tribe category or whatever. Or it is in a girls' school and the candidate is a male candidate. That is why I'm saying I'm not managing to match them. Now, if your lordships direct us, because the court has directed us to give all of them a chance of counseling and to recommend them. But my vacancies are not matching. Now, this problem can only be solved if the education department,
Dr. Patro, ask your commission chairman not to take any steps where we again have to apply our mind and go back to this vacancy problem.
No, all
please
convey
to your chairman. If now he says that I am not wanting to forget about court order, now you clarify, the education department will clarify. We are not going into that.
No, we're not asking for that.
You have to call him for counseling within the time.
No, we are.
This problem for vacancy matching, that is your problem. You have not preferred any review application or modification application. Our direction is 14,000 has to be called and has to be appointed. And if your chairman takes a stand to this effect, that now I need a clarification from...
No, not a clarification, not a clarification. I am not asking for a clarification.
You are saying that now the state government has to step in.
Yes, or else these vacancies cannot be converted.
Very good. Then we will deal with your chairman. Ask him to be personally present on the next day. When after so much of battling and abiding by the list which you have produced, now you say that I have further problems, further clarification is required. This is not proper. This is not proper.
My lord, until the counseling progresses, I cannot say whether the leftover.
Yes, you take instruction and come then.
My
You
lord, on
come-
instruction, I am submitting. On
My lord-
instruction, I am submitting. We have no difficulty. We want to comply with the order. That is why there is no review. That is why there is no
We are
appeal.
keeping it on.
The appeal which my learned friend was showing, that was not our appeal. We have instantly complied with the order. But
Dr. Patro,
but I
any
can-
adjustment of vacancy is required, that can be taken care of by the school. But you have to comply.
yes, we want to comply.
Then
We
you
are,
comply. Why you are not doing so? You have not, vacancy will, the counseling also is not complete.
no, counseling, my lord, counseling will go on for 1 year. The counseling
Your
will
lordships kindly come to paragraph 42 of your lordships judgment.
have to go on for 1 year, or else I will not get the vacancies, the non-joining vacancies. The panel is alive for 1 year. The panel expires after 1 year. During 1 year, I do a particular phase of counseling. Suppose my first phase of counseling,